right, fifth graders, welcome to the ReTeach page. Here you're going to find some more information on capacity that will help you better understand converting those liquid measurements. I want you to read number 1, and then I want you to fill in and answer the 2 questions on your own. So you're going to pause the video and then you're going to come back and we're going to talk about them. Okay, so how many cups are in 1 pint? I'm going to take a look at my chart to help me. So I'm looking at the pint, and then I'm looking straight here, and it tells me how many cups are in 1 pint. So you should have written 2 cups. Make sure you have your label. All right, and then for the second one, how many quarts are in 1 gallon? Well, let's take a look. I have a gallon here, and if I look to the right, it tells me how many quarts are in a gallon. So you should have written 4, and then your QT for quarts. All right, let's take a look at this problem. Follow along. It says a container holds 2 cups. Find its capacity in fluid ounces. So we want to make sure that we're using our chart below. It says the container holds 2 cups, and we're trying to convert those 2 cups into what? Right, fluid ounces. So we're going from cups to ounces. So then follow, it says you need to change the unit of cups to, and what are we converting it to? Right, ounces. Is the unit cups larger or smaller than the unit fluid ounces? So are cups larger or smaller than ounces? So is the measurement of a cup, is that larger or smaller than an ounce? Think about that for a moment. Right, it's larger. So then if we're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, are we going to multiply or are we going to divide? Right, multiply. Right. Okay, so there's this cool chart right here that's showing you how many cups or how many ounces are in 2 cups. It's showing you right there. So that means, and this whole chart has broken it down for you. So that's why you multiply. You go 2 times 8 because you have 2 cups and there are 2 8-ounces in each cup. So therefore your container holds 16 ounces. All right, let's take a look at this final question. It says a bucket holds 8 pints. Find the capacity of the buckets in quarts. So I'm starting with pints, and I'm going to a quart. So then the problem says, should you multiply or divide to change pints to quarts? Well, you have to think, am I going from a smaller unit to a larger unit? Or am I going from a larger unit to a smaller unit? I'm going from pints to a quart. Isn't pints smaller than a quart? So I'm going from smaller to larger. So therefore I'm, right, dividing. Okay, so you see here in the picture that's drawn for you. For every 1 quart, there's how many pints? 1, 2. So if the question is asking or telling you that we have 8 pints, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I have to take that 8 and divide it by 2 because I know that every quart has 2 pints in it. That's why you divide. So that's what they're saying here as to why you would divide. And 8 divided by 2 is, right, 4. Great job. All right, so refer back to this video if you need more help as you're working on the independent practice or the practice buddy. As always, feel free, call your teacher, email your teacher, either way to reach out if you need any more support, assistance, or if you have any questions.